Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 24/10/2023 and time is roughly around 6:30. What a fall on 23rd. And this is what we said, that whenever the mega combination of planet happens, and if it's going to be a continuous one, and you will be seeing these kind of fall or a rise, and it's going to be a trending market. And apart from that, the pattern also coincide with that. NR7 pattern, NR4 pattern, NR21 pattern, all combined together on 21st, 22nd of 21st of Friday, and we clearly said the range expansion is possible, and the range expansion was clearly visible on 23rd, and we clearly mentioned the numbers also, what number we are looking at, and below which number it is going to be a major one. And we clearly specified that 12:15 to 1:15 candle, 12:15 to 1:15 candle of Monday, it is going to be a 1 hour magical candle which is going to decide the fate of the market, and the 23rd iron low will decide the fate of the market till 31st of October. 31st of October. Let's go and see all that. So now, just a minute. So this is the message which we posted on October 20th, that on Monday, if Nifty breaks 19,514, which is the Mercury high, then the target is Mercury low, which is 19,436, where price and time square. Please keep this in mind, this number. Okay, then we said below 19,436, all these numbers will be the target. In case if Monday, if it holds this number, then the upside move will start. Okay, and obviously on a trend change rate, first 15 minutes high and low will do the needful. And we clearly said that on 20th October, we clearly said Monday 12:15 to 1:15 1 hour candle will decide everything. Okay, and we clearly said, inside our pattern, then explosion will be there. Everything we told on 20th October itself. We gave all these thing, and we already said that below these numbers market will be bearish for the next week. This is Nifty future and Bank Nifty future. Okay, what is special? So now if you go here, this is Monday, the first 15 minutes high and low, this is the high. For example, if you go here, the first 15 minutes high and low, and this is the high. So the high is not broken, first of all, so there is no buy. So the high is not broken, where the Nifty made the exact high at 9:15, and then it broke 19,514 here. 19,514 here, and this happened on 10:05. So then the retracement happened back to that number at the next candle, and from there the fall started, and it came very near to our weekly number, which is 19,248. Okay, so now apart from this, let's go and see the price time square. So what is the price time square? Already 23rd is a very important date, but on the 23rd, this 1 hour candle will decide everything. So if you take the high and low of that candle, I already marked the high. The high is 19,470 and the low is 19,430. But what we were actually praying is, this candle must touch this number, which is 19,436, which is Mercury low. If that happens, this is mega price time square. This is mega price time square, and the move will, once it takes the eye, the massive rally will be there. Once it breaks, the massive fall will be there. See how beautifully all happened exactly at the candle which we predicted on Friday before the market closes, and the number which we predicted, which is 19,436, which is nothing but the Mercury low. And this is what we talked more on our Saturday weekly forecast webinar. Why these numbers are very crucial for the price time square, for the explosive move. See the candle. This one candle gave 200 points fall. This one candle gave 200 points fall. And always remember, whenever the time, the price squares, then explosion will be there on the upside or on the downside. That's a beauty of price time square. So now we talked about price, we talked about time, we talked about everything. Now how to capture this move? How to capture this move? So now if you go here, this is our fortune signals, and 1 minute. In 1 minute, it gave a sell at 19,619 on 19th October. And after that, there is no green color candle in 1 minute time frame. I am showing this in 1 minute time frame. Okay. So there is no green color candle, and it gave a buy. It gave a buy here, which is nothing but the trap, because none of the candle closed above this candle eye. None of the candle closed above this candle eye. So what you need to do, once any candle closes below this candle low, any candle closes below this candle low, go short, stop loss high of this target. So the maximum stop loss is roughly around 9 points. Okay, the width of this candle, so 9 points. So this is again a trap, and again the sell initiated. Again you got a buy. None of the candle again not closed above the buy. So again you can take one more short position here. Stop loss high of this candle. And we are at 19,281. So from 19,600 and 19,621 to 19,281, there is no buy even in 1 minute time frame. 400 points nearly in 1 minute time frame. So this is how you can combine first time, then price, then the system to capture a trending move like this. Hope now it's a phenomenal day for us. Okay, now let's go and talk about this one. So now, as we already told, that if this candle doesn't close above here, the first target is this low, which is achieved. Now the next target is this low. This is not based on your candlestick low high. This is nothing to do with all that. So now the next target is this low. Okay, this low. So now if you go here, more or less you can see lot of bottoms happened here. Lot of bottoms happened. Just a minute. Yeah. So now this area is vulnerable for support. But unless and until now, it will face a lot of resistance here. So unless and until market doesn't close above this high, this market will not sustain on the higher side. Okay, this market will not sustain on the higher side. Possibility that even if it breaks, now this has become a flat line, it will try to touch this flat line, again it will come back. If it has to take this on a bigger side, the next move will happen only on 8th November if it has to take this on a upper side. But as we already predicted that if the top happens on 14th October, which is more or less 14th October was holiday, which is 13th or 16th, the next bottom will happen only on 12th November. And we are telling this for the last 1.5 months. We predicted this on August 20th, and we are continuing this for the next 12th till 12th November. So let's see, we have another 10 more days to go. So already exactly the bottom happened here, but what happened here is, if you go and see here, we clearly mentioned that the bottom will happen on 26th August, the top will happen on 14th October, then the next bottom will be on 12th November. So now what happens? Again the price and time squared on 26, because today on Monday, this candle broke this low, which is the 25th October low. Sorry, 25th October low. Sorry, 4th October low. Where is the 25th? So this is 25th August. Okay, so now if you take this 25th August high and low, see how price time squares here again. So this is the first day and this is the high, and on the major day it broke. It is at exactly at 26th August low. So now if you trade based on 26th August low, 25th date high and low, if the market closes above, this candle high, which is 19,340, whatever it is, 19,340, yeah, 19,340, you can buy with the stop loss of this candle low, which is 19,257. You got it? So now it is exactly at the previous price time square candle. But according to me, once it broke this and closed below this, possible target is this. Roughly around 19,100. So now let's go and talk about the numbers. So now we clearly mentioned when we started the weekly forecast webinar that below 19,514, all these are targets, and the last number is 19,248. It came and touched up to this number, but it missed our last target, which is 19,248. And we clearly said below 19,234, it's going to be a bloodbath. Then after yesterday, we wrote this number. Below 19,234, these are the targets which will open, and the number to watch out is this number, 19,138. 19,000, again I am making as bold, 19,138 if the market breaks 19,234. So already on a weekly thing, from year to year it is achieved. 19,262. If you go here, the low of this candle is 19,257. So All these targets are achieved, only one is pending, which is this. For example, suppose if tomorrow, if there is a open down, if these two numbers are held, then we will close the position. Once we get a genuine buy, we will close the position and we go long, because these two numbers are very crucial for the market, which is nothing but roughly around 14 points difference. Break below this number, all these targets will open. All these targets will open. Right? And coming to Bank Nifty, we clearly said this one number is very vital for Bank Nifty. Exactly on Monday, the low happened here, and this is the number for 2023. Because from 43,829 to 43,038 is a cycle. Whenever it breaks this number, it will try to come and touch this cycle number, which is actually done yesterday. And the low exactly was this number. The low exactly was this number yesterday. So now we need to watch whether it is going to hold this number. Break below this number, again all these targets will open, and below 42,436 no long advised. No long advised. Okay, so now let's go to fortune signals. Something interesting is happening. And okay, so now this is the weekly number. This is the weekly number which you can use, and I have already given these numbers on Monday morning at 9:30 itself. You can use it. So now I will mark 23rd high and low here. So the next date, which is happening on 27th October. Okay, 27th October, and the next date is 31st thing. So now something is happening which I want to show you in fortune signals. So now if you go to Nifty on a daily, so on Nifty there is no problem and it is still in buy. If you go to Bank Nifty, it has given a sell. So now how to trade this? If any candle closes below this candle low, then Bank Nifty will go for a toss. If candle holds this low, it is going to be a fake sell. It is going to be a fake sell. So if any candle holds this low on a daily basis, you can buy above this candle, stop loss this candle low, and you can run the show. What normally we does is, we will mark this candle high and low. See, this is actually a fortune signals sell candle, plus this is the timing candle, which is the combo of Sun and Mercury. So based on this, if you are trading based on time also, once any candle closes above, you need to buy, stop loss below this candle. If any candle closes below this, wait for it to retrace back to this number, go short here, stop loss, I have this candle. So now how we enter this? We mark this candle high and low, and we go to 15 minutes. If we get a 15 minutes buy, then we buy. So now the sell came at 44,187, already 1000 points done. So once we get a buy in genuine buy in fortune signals based on the candle, then we will enter. Otherwise, we know this is the candle high on 23rd. This is the candle high, which is 43,724. When it goes and touches this blue, we will again go short here. Stop loss is, I have this candle. Stop loss is, I have this candle. Okay, so Bank Nifty is at a very crucial stage, make or break again, and Nifty is little bit okay when it comes to daily. And the sell activated here on 15 minutes 19,556 itself, and in 5 minutes the sell activated at 19,786. After that, this is not a buy, because we need a genuine buy. Like genuine sell, we need a genuine buy, then only we will cover the position. So there is no buy here. This is again a fake, even though it gave a buy, because we need a genuine buy. So from 19,760 to 19,280, there is no buy in 5 minutes candle also. Okay, so that's all. Nothing more to add. Thanks to market for respecting our views, and we clearly said 23rd October, important date for indices, sector to focus, oil sector, telecom, PSU, banks, BSC. First 15 minutes high and low will do the needful, and we clearly mentioned that this candle high and low will dictate the trend till 31st October. Till 31st October, and NR7 and NR21 combo with the inside bar pattern before the Astro Day, range expansion is on the cards, and this is what we said on Sunday. And time cycle really worked well. Pranam to market for respecting our view. So now one more thing is, so now if you are trading based on a daily candle, then you need to take the daily candle high and low and take the trade. Otherwise, if you want to take a 1 hour candle magic, then you need to mark this candle high and low, which is 1215 to 115 candle of Nifty. Whichever side it breaks, you can take a call. So what you can do, in case if it again goes back here, sell. Stop loss eye of this candle, not eye of this candle, eye of this candle. But already it has given 1:3. So the total difference is only 40 points, and it is already given you more than 200 points. So 1:5 is already done on the first day itself. Okay, so you need to trade these kind of dates compulsorily, because very rarely you get a move like combinations of cycles, combination of planets, combination of numbers, combination of 1 hour candle with the daily candle. Very rarely it happens. If that happens, that is the day you need to trade to capture a mega move like this, and 1 or 2 days in a month is more than enough to capture a phenomenal fall or a phenomenal rise. Let's see what's going to happen next. We are holding our short in Bank Nifty and Nifty. No stocks we are holding, no F&O positions. Let's see how the market is going to behave tomorrow. So again saying, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon tomorrow with the magical number and the magical timing, if there is any, and I have already shared my timings to my people already. So if there is any, I will share with you. Until then, good night, bye.